In this episode, I'm going to be showing you some of the different methods you can use to secure your TimeClock application, as well as some of the different login styles. Okay? So we'll go to our TimeClock application and we'll log in as administrator. And you will want to go to Preferences, and notice there's the ability you can set your time here, your general settings, security, and login style. We'll cover login style first. Okay, right now it's set to use a password only for the logins. Okay, we can change that to employee ID and password. And if you look here, it kind of gives you an example of what that's going to look like. You have a spot where the employee would have to then type their ID and then their password. Another option is employee list and password. In this situation, they're going to just click their name and then log in. And the last one is pictures and password. And you'll have to log out to show you what that one looks like. And so you can see with pictures and password, you get a picture of the employee, and then you get and so they can click their name and then they can punch in. Okay, so that's what login style is all about. I'm going to change it back to password only. Which is the simplest setting. The next thing I want to discuss is the security. And with the security, there's three methods of security that we have. Cookie security will take and place a cookie on the computer you're at when doing this, and it will only allow logins from that computer that has that cookie. And IP security requires a fixed IP address, but it will only allow logins from that fixed IP address. Oftentimes people want to allow their employees to punch in and punch out from anywhere, and so in those scenarios you would not check any of these boxes. Oftentimes employees don't necessarily want to put extra security requirements, but they want to be able to track what their employees are doing and where they're punching in and out. And you can do that in your report setting. Let me exit out here. And in your time cards, you can check the box that says include IP addresses where punches occurred. And so if you suspect that maybe an employee is not punching in from the office, maybe they're punching in from home, you can include the IP address when running your reports, and it will show you the IP address of where they did their punch in and punch out. Okay? And so that's just a general overview of the security settings in our TimeClock application.